Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel The King. Today I'm going to show how to root any Samsung device in easy steps. Before this, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. Now let's start. You can see Samsung A7 device 2016 model. I will show you how to root this. First of all, you need to install a root checker app from the Play Store. You can see verify root. Root access is not properly installed. First of all, open setting, scroll down, click on about device and press build number 6 to 7 times to turn on the developer mode. Press back. You can see the developer option. Open it and check USB debugging and allow it. You can see my USB debugging is allowed. Now simply turn off your device. Before proceeding further, I would like to tell you that you need to download some software such as Odin and TWRP, SuperSU and one more. Don't worry, I'll give you the right links in the description. Now click on volume down button, home button and power button. A dialog box appears. Click on volume up to continue. You can see the downloading option. Now switch to the PC phase. Open Odin and connect your device. You can see your device is added. Now click on AP and select CF Auto Root and click on Start. Now you can see your device recovery is not seen right. To solve this issue, first of all, click on volume down button, then home button and power button. And again reboot your device to the download mode. Oh, sorry, let me try once more. Yes, you can see the dialog box. Again click volume up to continue. Now your device is in download mode. Close Odin and open again. Again connect your device. Your device is added. Click on AP and select TWRP. Here my TWRP is 3.0.2. You can select any version, don't worry. Open it and click on Start. See, that issue disappeared and your device will be rooted. You need to check your device is rooted or not. It is not rooted yet. Now you need to install SuperShoe in your device to root it again. First you have to copy the SuperShoe file. Just simply copy the SuperShoe file in the internal memory. Right. Let's check it out. Okay, right. Now switch off the device. Press volume up button, home button and power button. You will be redirected to the TeamWin console. Swipe it. Click on install. Scroll down. Select SuperShoe. Check reboot after installation is complete and swipe. Now let's check the device is rooted or not. Open root checker. Verify root. Grant permission. See, congratulations, root access is properly installed. That means your device is rooted. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share more and more if you like this video. And you can also comment your request for any query related to any technical issue. We will surely post a video related to your query. Thank you.